Guys, we're here at an undisclosed location, back for another backpacking trip. This time we got something special. I'm actually gonna be sleeping in a hammock. We got a new setup to try. I'm excited to show you guys, so make sure you stay tuned. We're hoping for a spot right next to the lake. This is absolutely beautiful. A lot of flooded spots though, as you guys can see. This is our ghetto ass hammock setup. I'm pretty happy with it. I got some space over here to big chill. I got a nice view this way where our head's gonna be. So I'm not too, I don't think it's that bad for a first setup. All right guys, so after much trial and error, we finally got this fire going. Only problem is it's only taking on one half because the wind seems to be blowing that direction.
It's an exceptionally windy night.
It is. I am. How's it working for you?
So,
Yeah.
good. A little windy. If I had to improvise and use a DIY windscreen. But in between gusts of wind, it's working good. We got one meal already cooking over there.
Where?
Should be. Where's the behind But see, you boil the water, you pour it into the freezer bag because these don't melt when you pour boiling water in them. Then you put it in the put it in here, a little pot cruiser, fold it down, and it just keeps the water warm. Takes a little longer to cook, you know, it's not constantly boiling, but figure it adds like 10 minutes. But you don't got dishes at the end of the night. You eat right out of the bag.
Just so, yeah.
And then when you're done, you just zip your bag back up, put it in your trash, and you're done.
Why not cook in the pot?
Because then you have to wash all the dishes after.
Nah.
That's where it gets. That's why I hate cooking on trail.
That's why I got beef jerky.
Fair enough.
Nice. Ooh, that is cold. Nice and nipply. Bada boom.
Seek is down, bear. It's not tied to the tree. It gets swatted this rope all day. It's not getting That is the PCT method for hanging a bear bag.
Nice. All right, guys. Get over to my little tent here. You can kind of see it. It's all like brush right here. Can't see nothing. Yeah, you can't even see the light. All right, over to the tent. It's not even a tent, it's a hammock. I keep forgetting. But We have a little bit of light over here. Hold on. I gotta come right around the corner. Right on the line. There she is. My little hammock thing here. There's not much to see, but a little hammock right here in the open. And what we did inside is we have, as you notice, this might notice this little square here. And the reason it's square is we put our pad in the base so we have something to lay down on, some insulation, some heat. Got a raincoat right there. And yeah, first time seeing if this works. We got our GoPro here, all our goods here, a little light. So I'm excited. If you guys want to see the full inside video of that, make sure you check out our VR video. Campaigning this, you can see some things you missed from this video over in that one. Again, this is Liam's setup, barely noticeable in the dark here. Got the hammock again, and then over here right behind me is Ryan. So crazy. This is how dark it is, guys. You cannot see nothing. Fire's over there. You can barely even see that with the video. It is cray. Alright guys, one last look from inside the tent. And let's see, hold on, where is it? There she is. There's light. Some light in here. Real quick. So underneath me we got the sleeping bag here for a little insulation. It's got air pockets. See that orange there? That's gonna be our foam padding. And above me we got our night light, our solar charger which has a flashlight, emergency light if we need to go to the bathroom. Yeah, I got a lot of lights. This bitch turns red too. I love that shit. And yeah, we got our little mesh netting, keep the bugs out, and the tarp above us. So we're feeling pretty set. See how this goes tonight. All right, guys. Good morning, guys, from the tent. Currently nestled up nicely and fighting the urge to get up. I gotta actually get out there, yeah, set up a VR camera, get a nice little time lapse going for a VR video. Yeah, hammock camping wasn't too bad. I definitely rate it like an 8 out of 10. I had to adjust a couple times. There were some minor inconveniences, but overall and all, this is pretty comfy. Definitely recommend giving it a try if you haven't done it before. But yeah, if you do, definitely get this insulated pad. I can see how that would have been terrible. And also see like, so this thing and like a lean-to. I probably shouldn't do this setup next time unless I just want the view. Because we got the shade above us and it goes all the way back down around. But the downside is the wind gets caught on this side. However, I do have this beautiful lake view. Alright guys, this is the close of our video. Right there is where the hammock was. No longer in place. All in all, held up very well. No rain. We had rain, wind, and despite the lean-to setup, the wind wasn't too bad, and the rain never got in. So, let's say a first hammocking success. This is another one of the little campsites. Not the best, I don't think, but yeah, all in all, as the weather gets little cooler, I'm gonna recommend people get a little more insulated sleeping bag than what I was using. But aside from that, guys, hammock tenting is pretty good. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go just swing over to our other hiking videos. We have hikes from all over the fucking place at this point. I'm not even gonna bother listing them. Hotel reviews, all kinds of shit. All kinds of shit for your athletic needs. Just make sure you go check out the channel. Go check out all our videos. We got different playlists. Make it easier for you to watch. You guys stay blessed. Much love. Thank you for watching.